Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today you are going to see one unique video because you have already seen me trading live in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, and also couple of weeks back I made a live trading video in crude oil. And today I am making one more live trading video, and this time it is in the gold. So in this video you are going to see how you have to trade in the gold. That means what are the important price action things you should remember, what are the important technicals gold follows. So that means how you have to do the pre-market analysis, how to place the order, whether to trade in future or option, where to keep stop loss, everything you will see. You will see how price action works in gold, how trading in gold is different than trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty. So I am making one detailed video starting with the pre-market analysis, then I'll do the live trading, because you know that our Indian commodity market opens only from 9 am till 11:30 pm, though global market opens for almost 23 hours, but Indian MCX market opens at 9 o'clock. So we can place the order in gold only after 9 o'clock. So before market opens at 9 o'clock, I'll do a pre-market analysis now, and you are going to see how I do the chart analysis before market opens, and once market opens at 9 o'clock, then I'll do the live trading commentary, and once I take the order, I'll show you my order book, and I'll also explain you that what is the logic behind taking the trade, everything. So now without wasting much time, let's get into my laptop and let us start with the pre-market analysis. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to this live trading video in gold. And today's date is 10 September, Tuesday. And you can see that I have M6 gold chart already opened here. Candlestick, what you see here, it is the previous day candlestick, that is the 9th September. But when you come to the gold global chart in the gold, it is already open. So you can see here it opened at 3:30 am Indian time, because globally gold is traded for 23 hours. It's a 23 hours market. It opens at 3:30 am and continue till 2:30 am Indian time. That means almost 23 hours it is open. Unlike Indian MCX market, which opens from 9 am till 11:30 pm. So when you are trading in gold, I suggest always follow global chart, because global chart is a continuation chart. Our Indian MCX chart is not a continuation chart because it is not traded for 23 hours. So now let us see what is my plan for the day. You can see that today we have a wide CPR. And currently gold is trading above the CPR. Right now it is trading near the top CPR. So I'm expecting price to come to central pivot, and if it makes a bullish candle around this region, then I am planning to take a long trade in gold. It is not only because CPR is a strong support, so I'll take a long trade near the CPR. Along with the CPR, there is another strong support. And what is that strong support? That is the demand zone. Look at here. Yesterday, late evening, gold made a strong bounce from this level, right? So that becomes our strong demand zone for today. So here we have CPR support and also demand zone. That becomes very strong level in gold today. So my plans to take a long trade at this level, but for that I have to wait patiently for price to come here, right? So only then I can take the trade. So plan is to take a long trade near this demand zone and keep stop loss below this demand zone. So that is the plan for today. So once market opens at 9 am, I'll come back and I'll update you once I take the live trade. Okay guys, time is 9 o'clock and you can see that our MCX gold market has opened, and you can see that first candle forming near the CPR, and this is the global chart. Same setup, trading near CPR. But as I said earlier, my plan is I am waiting for gold to come to this demand zone, and if it makes a bullish candle around this level, then I am planning to take a long trade. But currently it is still trading away from demand zone. So only thing I can do is wait patiently until price comes near this level. So I'll come back again whenever price comes to this level. Okay guys, next update. Time is 10:40 and you can see that now slowly gold coming near that demand zone and trying to make a bullish candle. As I said in the pre-market, this is a strong demand zone because there is a CPR support and also there was a big movement in the late evening in gold from this level. So for today, if gold comes here and makes a bullish candle, then there is a high chances that it can bounce again from this level. So if this candle makes a bullish candle, then I'll place my first long trade and keep stop loss below the demand zone. Okay, and whether I'm going to trade in future or option. See, when you're trading in gold, you have both the option whether you can trade in future or option. When I trade in crude oil, I prefer trading in option, but when trading in gold, it is better to trade in future because compared to option, future have a better liquidity. But many people may be thinking that, oh, future, you need a huge margin. But remember, best thing about the gold is when you are trading in future, it has many options like gold mega, that is the main one, then gold mini, then gold genie, and gold petal. That means you can trade in gold in 4 different variants. If you have a big capital, then you can go for a gold main, gold mega, where you need a margin of 6,65,000 to trade in one quantity. That means one lot. That means 1 kg. When you are trading in gold, one mean it is 1 kg. One lot mean 1 kg. Okay. It is different than trading in Nifty Bank Nifty. If you have a big capital, then you can trade in gold mega. If you have a medium capital, then you can trade in gold mini. Gold M mean gold mini and you need only around 66,000 margin to trade in gold mini. But if you want to trade in gold genie, then you need only 5,300 or 5,400 and you can trade in future. But if you are a trader who wants to start with a very small amount just for the practice, then I suggest you can go for a gold petal because to trade in gold petal, you need around 650 or 660 rupees. That's it to trade in future. Okay. So that is the best thing about gold is that you have many variants to trade in gold. Okay. Whatever the margin amount I said, it's approximate. Okay. Not exact, approximate around that amount. But since my capital is big, I'll be trading in gold mega. Okay, guys, time is 10:51 and you can see that candle formed bullish here and I have already placed a limit order at 71,620. So my order has not yet got filled. So I placed a limit order. So I have to wait until my order get filled. Okay, next update. You can see that my initial order of where I placed a limit order of 71,620 did not get filled. So I've increased my entry price to 71,630 now. Still my order not got filled. And that is the one issue while placing the limit order because many times it makes you frustrated that your order not getting filled if it keeps going up. Okay, and you can see that finally my order got filled at 71,630. And you can see that I have placed one lot order. One lot mean 1 kg when you are trading in gold. So I placed a order for 1 kg gold. So I'm long on 1 kg gold at 71,630 and currently profit is around 800 rupees in this trade. Anyways, I'll come back and I'll update you later. Okay, guys, next update, you can see that I placed another lot. So total 2 lots. That means I took 2 kg gold in the long and you can see that first order got filled at 71,630, second order at 71,640. So that means my average price is 71,635. And the reason why I've added one more lot to my existing position because you can see that gold after bouncing from here, it took the support near the 20 MA. And if you look at the candlestick properly, it's a bald candle. So I have already discussed the concept of bald candle in other videos where whenever you see a green bald candle without any wicks on the downside near some support, most of the time it will show you the buying pressure. And most of the time you can expect a big move from there. So that bald candle gave me indication that chances of price bouncing from here. So I have immediately added one more lot to my existing position. And you can see that currently profit is around 3,600 in this trade. And this swing high which I marked here. This is going to be a strong resistance for gold, and we have to see what happens when price comes there. Okay guys, next update time is 11:47. Profit is around 23,000 in this trade, and gold successfully broken that swing high which I marked here, and now came to another strong resistance, that is the previous day high and day's high. And this day's high you can see only when you are following global chart. When you are trading in Indian MCX chart, you will not see this day's high resistance. That's why important to follow the global chart. And this is where gold will either make or break. That means either it can break this resistance and keep going up, or it can make a sudden reversal from this and I may lose all my profit. Okay guys, next update time is 11:58, and you can see that from profit of around 25,000, now profit has come down to 9,000. Most of the profits gone already in this trade, because as I was saying in earlier update that this resistance was a make or break level and it reversed from that resistance, so my profit also gone. So let us see what happens, because this is also another strong support where price can again bounce. So let us see whether gold takes support here and whether it goes up. Okay guys, next update time is 1:08, and last update I was saying that this is a strong support, and you can see that gold took support from there and again bouncing back, and you can see that my profit back to 27,000. But again anything can happen, because again it came back to that same resistance, and if it makes a breakout then again I'll make more profit. If it reverses, then again I may lose out all the profits which I made here. And next update time is 1:36. Look at this guys, same thing happened again. My profit which was almost 27,000 now came back to 2,000. So you can see that almost 25,000 profit gone in this trade, right? Because again gold reversed from PDH and day's high resistance. So that is what in trading, it will never go in a single line, mean keep going up or keep going down. It can make a zigzag way, right? Up and down. And you have to hold on to your emotion. Many people may think that, oh, I gave away so much profit, but you should not bring your emotion when you're trading. You should only fix to your target and stop loss. Next update time is 2 p.m. Now I am in a minus. You can see that from 27,000 profit, it came to almost now in a loss of 3,000. You can see that all profit gone and it came into the loss. Now I'm into the minus, but since my stop loss has not hit, I'm still holding on to trade. If it goes down, breaking the strong support of day's low, then my stop loss can hit. But sometimes it also can happen that fake breakout also can happen. Next update time is 3:29 p.m. From last update, I was saying that sometimes fake breakout also can happen, and you can see that same thing happened. It went down below day's low couple of times and then made a fake breakout and then a big move on the upside. Now again back to same resistance, that is day's high where it reversed earlier. So let us see whether this time also it makes a reversal or a breakout. Okay guys, time is 3:47 p.m. now, and you can see that finally breakout happened with a very big bullish candle, and now you can see that profit is almost 34,000 in this trade. And if it happens a real breakout, then next resistance is pure point, and that is where I might book my profit. Okay guys, time is 5:25 p.m. and the next update, another fake breakout happened. Earlier it looked like it was a real breakout, but it happened fake breakout, but it did not made a big reversal, but you can see that it did not go up after making breakout, and it is making a strong consolidation here. So whenever there is a strong consolidation, that means chances of breakout is higher. So we have to wait and see whether it will break the day's high resistance and goes up, or it will reverse. Okay guys, time is 6:07 p.m. and you can see that finally breakout happened from the strong resistance of day's high, and you can see that profit is around 36k. But still my 1:2 risk reward not achieved. So my risk was 23,000. So I have to wait till my reward comes to 46,000. That is what known as following 1:2 in risk reward. Okay guys, time is now 6:26 p.m. and you can see that finally my target of 1 is to 2 risk reward achieved, and profit is around 46,000. But price action suggesting as price is going to next resistance, that is the pivot point. So I feel I'll not book my profit now, and I'll wait and hold on till gold touches this pivot point, and then I'll book my profit. Update, guys, you can see that finally gold touched this pivot point, and I'm closing this trade, and you can see that I have closed my trade, and the total profit is 53,000 in this gold trade. And this is my order book. You can see that I entered long trade first at 71,630 with one lot, that means 1 kg gold, and I added another lot, another 1 kg at 71,640. So my average price came to 71,635, and I booked my profit at 71,900. So total points is 165 points profit, which comes to 53,000 profit in this gold trade. You have seen that how roller coaster today's live trading in gold, right? Up and down. Initially I was in profit, then came into the minus, again went into profit, again my profits gone away, and again it came into the profit. But one thing you have seen that I have not deviated from my risk reward, right? Even though I was in profit of 25, 30, 35, I did not book my profit thinking that it will reverse, so let me take my profit. I was saying that I'll strictly follow my risk reward of 1 to 2, and finally I achieved it. But many traders, they book their profit too early because of the greed and fear. That's why when you're trading, you should not bring your emotion like fear and greed. You should focus only on your rule. What is the rule? Focusing on 1 to 2 risk reward. That means this is my stop loss, this is my profit target. I'll wait until my profit target hits or my stop loss hits. And that is how professional traders, they do trading. Okay guys, that's about today's live trading video, and I hope you all learned a lot from today's live trading video, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, bye and take care.